Hello students, welcome to IS Specialist Academy. My name is Irshad Khan. I am a faculty of Indian Polity, Governance, Social Justice and PSIR optional, teaching in the reputed institute of this country in Delhi as well as many regional centers. IS Specialist Academy has started a polity module keeping importance of this subject for the prelims 2023. Every year you will have a question on polity between the range of 15 to 20 marks. Considering the importance of this subject and the range of the question with respect to the factual part as well as the conceptual part, IS Specialist has decided to start a polity module for the student who are unable to take the class regular batch. So from 15th of January we will be starting our polity module. In this module you will be getting the live lectures will be the alternate dates, that is 3 days a week, as well as you will be provided the video lectures, the recorded video lectures. The validity will be till the time you appear for the prelims 2023 examination. We will be having 30 hours plus classes and we will be also having a doubt session along with that. And the cost of this entire program, entire polity module is only 499 rupees. So thank you very much. We'll meet you soon in the live lectures. Thank you.